Right, but he reinforced the door to his bathroom. It's kind of hard to get in there now. During the last segment of To Boldly Flee, when you met yourself, and Doug Walker told the Nostalgia Critic that at some point he stopped writing the critic and the critic told him what to do. When did you realize that? When did you realize your character began to become less of an asshole and slightly less of an asshole?
I realized we needed that as a plot for the fourth movie. That's not true. I mean, you certainly see a little bit of Suburban Nights. Well, after a while, a character gets to the point you really want to keep a character going. You can't just always do the same thing, or at the very least, you have to address why the character isn't evolving. I think
Evolve or die.
yeah, look, a great example of that, I think, is Cartman from South Park. Now, there's a character who has never really changed, but they start to talk about it. Like, there's this incredible scene in this one episode where Cartman is saying that, you know, Kyle said something else. Or no, that Cartman came up with this joke and really somebody else did. And yeah, the fish stick joke. And he's talking about it, and he's just like, you know, he's like, no, I really made the joke, and Kyle's just like, no, I believe you believe it. See, here's the thing. I know that when you really are that insecure, you want to make yourself feel better, that you'll tell yourself a lie, and you will convince yourself to believe it. I have no doubt that you believe it. I'm just saying it's wrong, but I know that you believe it. And Cartman, you dive into his head, and he's really thinking about it in his head, like he's there, you know, all big and buff and stuff like that, and he's coming up with the joke and everything. It's just like, yeah, that made me happy. And
Cartman sounds like the bum.
yeah, a little bit. Sorry. I do the real version. But yeah, it's one of those things where it's like you really want a character to last, you have to start doing things a little different. Even if the character stays the same, you have to evolve it somehow, or address some things.
So it's evolve or die, or in our case, evolve then die.
At least he died awesomely.
There you go. In a puppet way, too. Yeah, well, you narrated death. I am the Nostalgia Critic.
And then he raised his fist and slammed it firmly into the plot hole.
Come over here. I wanted to do like the speech on stage.
Now say, I am the Nostalgia Critic. I remember it, so you don't have to.
I am the Nostalgia Critic. I remember it, so you don't have to.